Welcome back, and in our top business story, ratings agency Moodys has upgraded Emaar's rating to investment grade in recognition of its strong credit metrics and business resilience. Moodys said that the upgrade of the Dubai-based property developer to Baa3 reflects its view that the company has built a solid business foundation and maintained a conservative financial profile that would allow it to defend its investment grade rating should market conditions remain challenging for an extended period of time. Moodys has upgraded the rating of the company's senior unsecured $2 billion trust certificate program established under Emaar Sukuk Limited to Baa3 from Ba1, and also upgraded the ratings on Emaar Sukuk Limited's to $500 million senior unsecured Sukuk issued under the program to Baa3 from Ba1. The outlook on all ratings is stable. It was added that Emaar has displayed resilience with 4.2 billion dirhams in Dubai property sales in the first quarter, up from 10.2 billion in 2015, and no significant customer cash collection delays. Moody's Investor Service has also upgraded Emirates NBD's long-term deposit and senior unsecured ratings from Baa1 to A3. It also boosted the bank's counterparty risk assessment following the upgrade of its baseline credit assessment to Ba1 from Ba2 and Moody's maintenance of existing government support assumptions. The ratings agency affirmed the bank's Prime 2 short-term deposit ratings, and the outlook on the long-term ratings is stable. The agency stated that the upgrade of NBD's BCA reflects the bank's improved and resilient financial profile, primarily improved asset quality that they expect to remain stable, stronger loss absorption buffers, coupled with resilient profitability and strong funding and liquidity. Moody's also expects that Emirates NBD's funding profile will remain supported by the broad and diversified access of the bank to customer deposits. The Arab Trade Financing Programme has approved 117 requests for financing trade deals worth $249 million during its board meeting this week, which was dedicated to reviewing trade finance activities during Q1 this year. With the latest approvals, the volume of finance made available by the Abu Dhabi-based ATFP since its inception in 1991 has reached $12.4 billion. The board welcomed 2 newcomers to its network of national agencies, raising the total membership to 212 by the end of March, distributed over 19 Arab countries and 5 non-Arab countries. The meeting also took note of the performance of the investment portfolios and audited financial statements for the first quarter of the year. Preparations for holding the conference for the promotion of Arab trade in building materials over in Abu Dhabi next October were also discussed. ATFP extends financing to all exporters and importers of Arab commodities and looks to contribute to the generation of new opportunities for trade exchanges in Arab commodities. The UAE has emerged among the top 10 travel destinations during Ramadan among Muslim travellers this year, that's according to a new study. The UAE is ranked 8th in the list, which is topped by Malaysia, Indonesia and then Singapore. That's according to the first Ramadan travel report released by MasterCard and the Singapore-based halal tourism online platform Crescent Rating. It was mentioned that the UAE is likely to emerge as the second most popular destination by 2022 and the top travel destination during Ramadan in 2027. For travellers visiting Dubai during Ramadan, travel experts were quoted saying that the generally low rates offered by hotels in Dubai during the month are a major attraction for tourists, while the safety and security of the city and late-night shopping, particularly during the last few days of Ramadan, are also a big draw for Dubai, and halal food is again a major advantage during Ramadan. For ranking purposes, the report studied 49 destinations, excluding Saudi Arabia, as its most important travel destination for Muslims, and took into account the average daytime temperatures, fasting duration, and the MasterCard Crescent Rating Global Muslim Travel Index 2016 scores, which were forecast up until 2030. It was revealed in the Travel Index that last year around 117 million Muslim travellers visited globally, making up nearly 10% of the entire travel market, and the figure is expected to touch 168 million visitors by 2020. That's 11% of the travel market, generating $200 billion in revenues.